Hi guys, this is B-Rider. In this jQuery tutorial we are going to be looking at the ID selector. So let's make sure we've got jQuery and our external JavaScript file included on our page. You can use inline scripting if you wish, but I recommend using external. So let's begin. So I'm going to insert some tags in some HTML, so I'm going to put a p tag and I'm going to give it an ID of para1. And I'm just going to put this is some text. And then I'm going to end the paragraph here. And I'm going to give it another paragraph tag. I'm going to give it an ID of para2, and I'm going to give it this is some more text. So let's send the p tag there. So we've got our two paragraph tags, each with an individual ID, and we're going to be learning in jQuery today how to individually pick each one out by its ID. So let's go to our JavaScript file. I've already written out the document.ready function, so you can pause the video and write that out if you want. But if you've already got it, then let's continue. So when the document is ready, let's go select. So when we want to select something, we put the $ in brackets. So we put a quote like that, or a speech mark. I leave it as quotes normally. And to select an ID, we put a hash and then the ID, so para1, and that is how to select the ID. So I'll give you an example. So I'll just change the CSS of this p element with an ID of para1. I'll give it a color of red. So now we've got red. Let's go back into our index, run that, and as you can see, hang on a sec. As you can see, it's red. The text might be a bit small, so let me just increase that. I'm just going to do some inline styling quickly. So style. You don't need to do this. This is just a quick thing. That doesn't. You don't need to do this. It's just so you can see it. This is inline styling. I do not recommend it. I recommend using styling in external. This is just something quick, so we can view it quickly. So now I'll just run it. Oh, I don't know. I hate IE. Firefox is the best because it's for web developers. Right. This is some text. It's red, and this is black. Now this is para1, and in our text editor in our jQuery we selected para1 and we put the color to F00 F00, which is red. You can just use F00 if you want, but I tend to use the 6 hex choice. So there it is. And so now if I go and select para2, so I'll go down $, and I'll make para2 bold. So if I select para2, instead I'll give it an event. So when we mouse, no, I won't do all that. I'll just put click. We will hide it. So I'll just put a function in here. I'm only doing simple stuff at the moment, so I'll put this, as we've already selected para2 dot hide, and I'll put it as slow, so we can actually see it hiding. So let's go back, refresh it. So if I click on para1, it does nothing, but it is red, and we haven't formatted this at all. If I go and click this, well, it doesn't seem to be working. Let's launch that again. I think Firefox has it. Yeah. If I refreshed it on here, it didn't do it. But if I refresh it on here, oh, I know what's the problem. I've got my, yeah, that's the problem. So as you can see, if I click on the second paragraph, then it hides. But if I click on the first one, it doesn't. But then paragraph 2 hasn't got red. The reason why I was having a bit of a problem there is because sometimes my F keys are locked, and I have an F lock button which unlocks them and locks them. So that's a problem there. But this is how to select IDs in jQuery. Thank you very much. Be right back.